Browser results audio small concert hall. Products Alicia's keys.
I think we're going to have some fun over the next day and a half, right? We're going to produce a song together. And the cool thing about it is that you get to write the song, right? So who sings?
I would like to think I would sing.
Okay.
The school, it offers things that I can't find back home. So I think it's just been really helpful because after I was Bruford, I wanted to work in a studio. I get to see how a producer who's really in the industry works and his processes and everything. He's very supportive. Everything that he does, he was in control, but it felt like we were all in control. And I think that was really important was for him to establish that even though he is here and he is the #1, we all have an equal say in this. I think that was probably the biggest lesson I learned from this.
Jay. I'm a music producer from Trinidad, also an audio engineer and accessibility consultant. I'm at Rose Bruford to do a workshop with the audio production course.
We cover all forms of sound and audio, whether it's live performance, film productions, mocap and VR studio, gaming software, immersive experiences. Anything that you want to do, you can. That's the good thing about Rose Bruford.
What do you think?
Oh my God.
I think we've got good vibes going on. I really like doing the technical side of things, but it has been nice doing the creative part as well.
The main thing for me is the collaboration with Jason, which is always a nice little thing to have a touch on, say you've worked with this guy. Learning what you can do, what you can't do, things like that. And even if you feel like you've got the smallest task, still being involved.
When we got here and, Sarah, my wife, was describing the place to me, the grounds, I initially felt it's a nice vibe. And then when we got into the studio and we checked out these monitors, it's like, wow, this is some serious stuff here. Wow, this is going to be cool.
To have Jay with us a full 2 days, that's fantastic for the students. Rose Bruford in general, we rely a lot on industry professionals. So Jay being a producer is the perfect opportunity for the student to learn on a real case study.
You can get producers who just go for your vision and then they produce the song how you like it, but I think the good thing about Jason is that he's seeing us as people, but not just as people, but as people who are growing, and how we can progress our ideas from A all the way to Z.